Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device is ESIM capable and unlocked. This matters because carrier profiles require device support. Once done, purchase a European ESIM plan that matches days and GB needs, and download or save the seller's QR or activation code. You should connect to stable Wi-Fi before adding the profile. This prevents incomplete downloads. Make sure to note which plan will be primary versus secondary, so you can manage roaming and data priorities later in settings. You now add the profile. Go to Settings, Cellular or Mobile Data and pick Add ESIM. Once there, scan the QR code or type the activation code. The phone will download the carrier profile and show details. Label the plan clearly so you recognize it in travel. For example, Europe 10 GB. After the profile installs, choose which line handles cellular data and whether calls use the ESIM. Make sure to enable data roaming only for the new ESIM to avoid charges on your home. You finish by restarting the phone and verifying that you see signal bars and the carrier name for the ESIM. Then test data by loading a web page, and if included, send an SMS or make a local call to confirm voice. If you don't get service, rescan the QR or re-enter the code, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, and check APN settings supplied by the ESIM seller. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, uninstall the profile and reinstall after a fresh restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.